So 120Hz, 120 watts and 120x insane specs. Hey guys, and the Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra is now official. It comes with some mind-blowing specs and design. I just cannot wait to get it in my hands. So design wise, we have the similar design language like Mi 10. That's a side punch hole on top left corner which looks not bad, but I wish there was something new and innovative. This is a 6.67 inches panel with 1080p resolution. It has 120Hz refresh rate. Yes, there's MEMC. Yes, we saw this feature in OnePlus 8 Pro also, and there's HDR10 Plus certification. So this is one of the amazing display you can get right now. It has 4096 levels of brightness adjustment, which is like highest right now. So yes, this device packs an amazing display. And icing on the cake, it also comes with stereo speakers, so gaming, hearing music is gonna be fun. In terms of the specifications, the Mi 10 Ultra uses Snapdragon 865 flagship CPU, comes in 8/12/16 gigs of RAM and 128/256/512 gigs of internal storage. So it is the top-notch memory UFS 3.1 and top-notch RAM LPDDR5. Now camera is where Xiaomi has done some really impressive changes. This thing now comes with 120x periscope zoom with EIS and OIS. Here are some shots and this is crazy. There is 48 megapixel custom sensor with EIS and OIS for main images, 20 megapixel wide angle plus macro and 12 megapixel portrait, which also has 2x optical zoom. So this is the next level camera and it scores highest on DxO mark. Now another exciting feature is Mi 10 Ultra has 4500 mAh battery, which is like fine size. What's really amazing is 120 watts super fast charging plus 50 watts wireless charging and 10 watts reverse wireless charging. This is insane guys, an amazing package with an amazing pricing. So guys, all these specs and this pricing puts the Note 20 Ultra to shame. The Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra starts at 5299 yuan, which is just 56,000 Indian rupees. That's $760 US/647 euros. This is an amazing pricing for an amazing piece of device in 2020.
So the location of the wide angle camera means my finger still gets into frame very easily. But we'll do 5x. I was looking very sharp, but the main event is right here, 120x. Whoa. So now we're at 81x right now. And then let's go up to 120. So this is 120, there's a lot of digital sharpening, but you can actually read the text. I can read that, it says, don't affect the environment, do not feed the pigeons. So I can read that sign all the way down here with that 120x zoom. I'm just gonna do a quick test against the Note 20 Ultra. We'll go up to 50x.
It includes a custom manufactured image sensor. The other three rear cameras include a 20 megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter, a 12 megapixel portrait camera, and a telephoto shooter, which has a Sony IMX586 image sensor, with support for 120x ultra zoom, that is likely company speak for hybrid zoom, that essentially combined optical zoom and digital zoom to offer this insane zoom capability. Additionally, there is laser autofocus and flicker sensor. The camera setup also has optical image stabilization, OIS. The phone will be able to record 8K videos from the primary and telephoto shooters. On the front, the phone houses a 20 megapixel selfie shooter. Additionally, Xiaomi has included Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, NFC, and the usual set of connectivity options in the phone. The packs 4500 mAh battery that support 120W wired fast charging that will take just 23 minutes to fully charge the battery. Additionally, the phone also supports 50W wireless fast charging, enabling full charge in just 40 minutes. To make sure the consumers have a compatible charger, the company is also launching a 55W wireless charging stand that supports app specification. The charger will retail at CNY. Further, the phone will also support reverse wireless charging at up to 10 watts. Other features of the phone include an in-display fingerprint sensor, dual stereo speakers, and USB Type-C. Moreover, it received 130 scores for audio and image quality. Qualcomm's top-end Snapdragon 865 chipset, the Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra, is the Chinese manufacturer's latest flagship device and was launched on the occasion of the company's 10-year anniversary. Like its sister device, the Mi 10 Pro that was released earlier this year, the Mi 10 Ultra comes with a quad camera setup that includes dual tel cameras and an ultra-wide module. However, there are some important differences in the camera hardware. The Ultra's main camera uses a 48MP quad Bayer sensor instead of the 108MP version in the Pro. The long tel lens is stabilized and now comes with a staggering 120mm equivalent focal length versus 94mm on the Pro, and at a half-inch versus 1/4.4 inch, the image sensor is considerably larger on the Ultra. Xiaomi has also made improvements to the ultra-wide camera. It offers an optical focal length of 12mm, and even after distortion correction has been applied, we still measured 12.5mm, the widest field of view of all ultra-wide cameras we have seen to date. The Mi 10 Ultra achieves a new top score for exposure, thanks to a very wide dynamic range and accurate target exposure in all conditions. Good detail is visible in both highlight and shadow areas of the frame, even in challenging high-contrast scenes, and the Xiaomi is capable of recording good exposures even in very low light, where many competitors struggle. Well, having been said, please